Hey guys, interested in Zepto free gift? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers as you see in the picture. We have ordered some items on Zepto and a free gift is given along with the items we have ordered. And some of the viewers have asked me this question as the minimum order value if you want a free gift from Zepto. As you see in the picture, Anjali, a viewer, has asked me this question and asked me also to make a video on Zepto free gift. Thank you, Anjali, for all your love and support. Thank you. Okay, in few moments I'll tell you what is the minimum order value you got to place if you want a free gift from Zepto. As you see in the picture, again one more question has been asked in the comment section as how to get free Rakhi from Zepto. Thank you, Rohit Yadav, for the question. I'll just read on the question as well. My option to show nahi ho raha. So there's no option that will be shown in the cart. But what you got to do is when you add the items to the cart or when you place an order on Zepto, make sure that you add the item named Doodh Pada. That is Jessie Doodh Pada. If you add that item to the cart, you'll get a free Rakhi along with the Doodh Pada. And in the later part of the video, I'll tell you as how you can confirm the free gift, and the minimum order value differs from person to person. As for now, let's go check it out as what is the free gift, right? So just now I told you this is the free gift or free Rakhi I've got when we have ordered Jessie Doodh Pada on Zepto. And of course you can try ordering on Flipkart or Blinkit or Amazon stores as well. Here comes the Zepto free gift on the occasion of Rakhi. This is Zepto lifafa. Let's try opening it very quickly. Okay, you see here a scratch and win card is given up to 5 crores. Fingers crossed, right? Let's see one more thing that is there in the lifafa. This is like a hide and seek game for sister and brother. This is big creativity or hyper creativity game that is given from Zepto. It's been interesting. If you want, you can play that. Okay, we'll see what's the gift or the winning amount we have got, right? Here is the coupon from Zepto. It says 35% off on ice creams. When you apply the coupon at the checkout, you'll get 35% off. One more is Ease My Trip coupon. So 2 coupons are one. If you want any of these coupons, you can pause the video and apply the coupon at the checkout when you go for ordering Quality Walls ice cream or Ease My Trip bookings, right? To get big discounts. Now we'll see how to get free gift from Zepto plus coupon. As you see in the picture, go to Zepto app. Right on the home screen, you'll see when you scroll down, you see a minimum order value that you got to place if you want free lifafa or free gift, whatever you call, right? So when you see here, I have a free lifafa offered when I place an order of $3.99 and above order value, right? Hope I made myself clear. And if any of you want free Rakhi, you make sure that your order list contains an item named Doodh Pada, Jessie Doodh Pada, right? As you see in the picture, because I want free Rakhi, I have given in the search bar as Godrej Jessie Doodh Pada to add to my cart. So I have added Doodh Pada and other items to the cart. After adding, go to cart. As you see in the picture, free Shagun ka lifafa has been added. You can scroll down and you can click on coupons. You can apply Zep free as you see in the picture if you want cashback from Zepto. Otherwise, You can apply coupon of your choice. You've got flat 25% off, 10% off on your checkout. Here we have applied one card. After applying, then you can click on continue to payment after applying the coupon and place your order. That's it, done. As you see in the picture, you can go check out the order details. A free shagun or lifafa has been added in your order list. So that's it all for today. Did Zepto dampen your Rakhi moods? Let me know in the comment section. And did you like lifafa? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.